Hey guys, it is the 23rd of December. That means there is only today and tomorrow, and then the series is done for the year. Let's see. We want to try this tri-cirkal. Not tri-circle, but tri-cirkal. Let's see if we can open it and get it on the tree. That federal still gives me trouble. Okay, that's giving. That's okay. What does it say? Top padlock. I don't think so. It's just a feeling, but I don't think it's accurate. Come on, I can't get on to the next pin. Maybe it's the tensioner. It sometimes is the tension wrench. Two gave a click. Now I got the same trouble. I can't get further. Come on. Nope. Smaller wrench then. And pin 1 opened it. There you go. Tri-cirkal 265 made in China. Top padlock. Nah, not really. Alright. Sorry. 23 locks on the tree. Just one more. I don't know about you guys, but it feels like it has been a pretty easy year for opening locks for the tree. Not really that many fighters this time. Most of the years, I believe actually I think this was the 8th year in a row I have made this series. And most of the other times, if not all, especially here in the last 5 days of the series, I have really struggled to get locks open. Although it did work in the end, but this year seems to have been just really easy, and that's actually kind of nice. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope I will see you tomorrow for this last video of the Christmas series 2025. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.